boy.
Yeah.
You see it flowing? Yeah, you can see it flowing. Wow. Can't really get it. You go help Penny? Oh my gosh. The door is being held open by the snow. Gosh. How many more hours of this do we get? Duke, get your spoiled little butt out there. Go on. If Penny's out there, you go. No. You can go potty. Oh, gosh. That was a good gust. Hi, Meepy. Hi, little snow bunny. Hi, little snow bunny. It's cold out there, huh? Whoa! What's Daddy doing? Oh my gosh, it's freezing. It's freezing cold. Hi, wet baby. Whoa, it's cold out there, huh? Yeah. What a nice guy you are. Shoveling off. Ugh.